Baby girl, if your makeup looks cakey like this, or like this, it's because you're not prepping your skin the right way before wearing makeup. A flawless makeup routine should start with a good base prep. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Apply a hydrating toner or essence. Baby girl, remember to always apply your skincare within 5 minutes after washing your face. Then take a hyaluronic serum and apply it on damp skin. Did you hear that? Don't ever apply hyaluronic acid on dry skin because it can dry your skin out and cause irritation. Hyaluronic acid can hold water up to 1,000 times its own weight, which is super hydrating, but this is true only if your skin has hydration available. I'm using the Kindly Do You Hyaluronic Acid Serum because it maximizes hydration to avoid any cakiness and dry patches. And it's also under 200,000 rupiah. Then I put a heavy cream moisturizer to lock all that moisture in. Now, on days that my skin feels super dry, I add a facial oil, but this is only if you have really dry skin like me. And that's it. Okay, let me do my makeup and I'll show you the finished result. Okay, my makeup is done and look at that! My skin feels so smooth and hydrated. I am seriously in love. Okay, thank me later. Bye!